Well, let's start with the best historic restoration. Entries in this category include restorations, repairs, or refinishes in either a residential or commercial application. This year's award goes to Янтарная Прядь, Химки Russia. This 150-year-old historical floor was completely demolished and recreated using the identical flooring patterns by archiving the original materials. The solid parquet is a glue down using bogged oak, amaranth, maple, walnut, babinga, sapelli, duci, wingay, ebony, plane, and more. It was finished with solvent-based primer and lacquer. Brett, what are some of your thoughts on this floor?
Well, good job in pronouncing most of those species. I think that is, to me, one of the most amazing things with the work that Янтарная puts together is the diversity in species they pull out. With this one being a historic restoration and the fact that they were able to recreate the existing pattern identifying and using these species is just unbelievable. These guys always pull together some pretty fantastic work. And being a historic restoration, I can't even imagine the amount of work and energy that went into identifying and putting this whole thing together.
There's a lot of detail in there.